Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide connections on LinkedIn. Connections represent your network of people you have been directly connected to. To hide connections on LinkedIn, you need to first open your LinkedIn application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on your profile present on the top left corner. After this, tap on settings option present on the bottom left. With this, now here, tap on visibility option. Now here you'll be able to find connections option on the visibility of your profile and network. Tap on connections option. Then here you'll be able to see connections visibility option. Tap on toggle next to connection visibility. With this, the connection visibility will be turned off. That means that you will be able to disable your connections to see your connections list. This is how we can hide connections on LinkedIn. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.